In this video, we'll show you how to quickly clean your mass airflow sensor or your manifold absolute pressure sensor. Let's get to it. To start, let's quickly go over what these sensors do. The MAF sensor or mass airflow sensor measures the actual mass of air entering the engine. The MAP sensor or manifold absolute pressure sensor does the same, but instead of measuring the air entering the engine, it measures the manifold pressure, which the ECU uses to calculate how much air is entering the engine. Some symptoms of a bad mass airflow or manifold absolute pressure sensor are a rough idle, hesitation, poor fuel economy, engine stalling, a lack of power, and hard starting, especially when the engine is warm. The first step is to locate the mass airflow sensor or manifold absolute pressure sensor. The air pressure sensor is located on or near the intake or throttle body of your car and looks like this. So just follow the air intake on your car and you'll easily find it. The mass airflow sensor is usually located somewhere on your air intake itself and looks very similar to the manifold absolute pressure sensor. But our Jeep only has a MAP sensor, so we're going to demonstrate it on that one. To remove it, all you need to do is unplug the sensor and remove the two screws holding it in place. The MAP sensor also has a vacuum connection, so make sure to gently remove that as well. Ours has an L-shaped boot, so we're going to support it while we unplug it to avoid tearing it. Now you can gently take it out. Next, remove the vacuum connection from the sensor so you get direct access to the inside. To clean it, you need to use a specialized mass airflow sensor cleaner. Do not use anything else. It's a very sensitive part and more aggressive cleaning products or degreasers can damage it. Spray the specialized cleaner inside the MAP sensor, and in case of a MAF sensor, carefully spray the exposed sensing elements as well. It looks like an exposed wire, but don't touch it with anything else apart from the cleaning spray. It's very sensitive. Afterwards, let it dry for at least 15 minutes. Once it's fully dried, you can simply reinstall it and you're done. It's that simple. Now you know how to clean a MAF and MAP sensor. That's all there is to it. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber yet, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our new videos. We've got a lot of new stuff coming up, so stay tuned.